Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to compare GoHighLevel and Docusign. Both tools are useful for businesses but in different way. Don't forget to check the description below this video. You will find more detail and maybe some free trial or deals there too. So let's get started. First, let's talk about Docusign. Docusign is used to sign documents online. It helps you to send, sign and receive legal documents without printing anything. It's fast, safe and very popular for e-signature. Now let's talk about GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is a marketing and CRM tool. It helps businesses, agencies and freelancers with emails, messages, funnel, website and even bookings. It has many tools in one place. You can also send contract and collect signature with GoHighLevel just like Docusign. So what is the main difference? Docusign is only for e-signature and documents. Other side, GoHighLevel does a lot more. Marketing, website, emails, SMS and many more. So if you just need to send documents, then use Docusign. But if you want an all-in-one platform for your business, then GoHighLevel is better for you. Docusign has a simple plan, but it can get expensive if you send many documents at a time. Other side, GoHighLevel has higher starting price, but you get many tools in one plan. So GoHighLevel gives you more value if you use all the features. Other side, if you just want to use your document and e-signature, then you should use Docusign only. So that's the difference between GoHighLevel and Docusign. If this video helped you, give a like and subscribe for more simple tech videos. And don't forget to check the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.